How do lawyers handle too perfect alibis? Imagine a scene where a suspect claims they were somewhere else at the exact time a crime happened, and their story is so detailed it almost sounds too good to be true. When an alibi seems too perfect, it can catch the attention of a criminal defense lawyer. These kinds of alibis often raise eyebrows because they might be fabricated or coached. So, how do lawyers handle this tricky situation? First, they start by investigating and verifying the alibi thoroughly. They interview witnesses, gather receipts, check phone records, look at surveillance footage, and analyze GPS data. The goal is to confirm the alibi is genuine and consistent with known facts. If the alibi is too perfect, it might be suspicious, so defense attorneys work to reinforce its credibility by finding independent evidence that supports it. Next, they prepare to face challenges from the prosecution. Prosecutors might question the witnesses, suggest collusion, or point out tiny inconsistencies to create doubt. Defense lawyers anticipate these tactics by preparing witnesses for cross-examination and presenting additional evidence that bolsters the alibi. They also look for any weaknesses in the prosecution's case, such as conflicting timelines or unreliable evidence, to highlight reasonable doubt. Lawyers may use the strong alibi as part of their overall defense strategy, shifting the burden of proof back onto the prosecution. If the alibi holds up, it can make it very difficult for the prosecution to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Sometimes, a very strong alibi can even be used as leverage during negotiations. If the evidence against the defendant is weak, prosecutors might agree to reduce charges or drop the case altogether. Handling a too perfect alibi requires a careful balance of verifying its authenticity, preparing for aggressive prosecution tactics, and weaving it into a broader defense plan. The goal is to make sure the alibi stands up under scrutiny and helps create enough doubt to favor the defendant. By doing this, lawyers protect their clients and give them the best chance at a favorable outcome.